Good afternoon. The heat continues to linger for western parts of the country with a heat wave advisory still in effect, while eastern regions including Daegu should continue to have cooler temperatures as daily highs will be in the mid-20s until the mid of this week thanks to easterly winds. Meanwhile, have a small umbrella handy if regions on the east and south coast as well as Jeju Island saw some 5 to 20 millimeters of rainfall, while passing showers are in the forecast for many inland regions this afternoon, and that's including here in the capital. So top readings will be much more variable for regions in the east, while the rest of the country will continue to have a blistering one with high humidity. Monsoon rain returns for the mid part of the week, and that's going to bring the highs down a few notches, while Tuesday is shaping up to be another sweltering one. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.